Over the years, I've learned and grown, simplifying my life to become a minimalist and finding happiness in reducing desires and the need for more. Here are 5 important lessons I've drawn from this journey. I also encourage you to reflect on your own journey and see how your perspective on success has evolved. When I began embracing minimalism, I discovered that reducing belongings not only made my living space tidier, but also significantly lowered my stress levels. A spacious and clutter-free environment allows me to easily find and use the essentials, making daily life simpler and more efficient. Instead of buying numerous low-quality items, I decided to invest in high-quality products. This not only enhances satisfaction in their use, but also saves money in the long run. Durable, high-quality items require less frequent replacement, reducing financial burden and contributing to environmental protection. Minimizing distractions has enabled me to concentrate more on work, family, and personal hobbies. This has not only boosted work productivity, but also enriched moments spent with loved ones. Minimalism has helped me clearly define my goals and core values. Rather than chasing flashy and unnecessary things, I focus on what truly brings meaning to my life. One of the most profound lessons I've learned from living minimally is self-love and acceptance. By letting go of unnecessary material possessions, I've begun to prioritize self-care and appreciate my intrinsic worth. I've realized that my value lies not in what I own, but in who I am as a person. Practicing self-love has made me more confident and content. I no longer feel pressured to accumulate possessions to prove myself. Instead, I invest time and energy in personal growth and nurturing meaningful relationships. This has brought me a genuine sense of peace and fulfillment. Realizing that my self-worth doesn't come from material possessions has been a significant turning point. Instead of defining myself by things and assets, I've started evaluating myself based on inner values and qualities. Learning to love and accept myself without relying on material goods has made me stronger and more confident. I no longer feel pressured to shop for satisfaction. Instead, I invest in personal growth and mental well-being. Throughout my pursuit of minimalism, my perception of success has completely changed. I used to think success was about accumulating wealth and possessions. However, I've gradually come to understand that true success isn't about material things, but about feeling content and happy with what I have. Success comes not from accumulating wealth, but from memorable experiences, continuous learning, and how we treat those around us. I've reassessed my life and realized that meaningful moments, new knowledge, and genuine relationships are the true measures of success. Life becomes more meaningful when I focus on building these sustainable values instead of chasing meaningless material goals. Living minimally has helped me realize that success isn't a destination, but a journey. This journey is filled with precious moments, profound lessons, and cherished relationships. I've learned to appreciate what I have, to slow down and experience things deeply, and to focus on what truly matters in life. Previously, I believed that career success revolved around making a lot of money and achieving high status. However, I've come to realize that it's more important to seek and pursue genuine passion. Working with passion has transformed my job from a burden into a joy and a source of inspiration. Minimalism has helped me set clear and specific goals for my career. Instead of chasing glittering things, I focus on achieving goals that bring real value. This not only helps me develop my career, but also brings a sense of success and satisfaction. In shaping my career, I've learned that building meaningful and genuine relationships is crucial. These relationships not only support me in my work, but also bring joy and emotional support. Thanks to living minimally and focusing on truly important values, I've found a clearer direction in my career and feel happier and more satisfied with what I'm doing. Living more simply brings peace and reduces the stress associated with managing and maintaining possessions. When no longer burdened by unnecessary things, you feel lighter and more comfortable. Instead of seeking happiness through owning many material items, I focus on experiences and memorable moments. These valuable moments bring true joy and happiness, making me satisfied with daily life. Minimalism has helped me realize that relationships with family and friends are far more important than material possessions. Spending time and showing care for loved ones strengthens and enriches these relationships. A tidy living space and a calm mind help me communicate and interact with others more naturally and genuinely. When my mind isn't cluttered with unnecessary things, I can listen to and understand others better. Start with a detailed budget plan. Begin by creating a clear and detailed budget plan. Categorize expenses into essential needs, savings, and entertainment. Monitor and adjust your monthly budget to ensure you do not exceed the set limits. Apply the pay yourself first rule. Upon receiving your income, allocate a fixed amount to savings or investments before spending on other needs. This helps build an emergency fund and invest for the future. Strategically, manage debt. Debt is a major source of financial stress. Plan to repay debts strategically, starting with those with the highest interest rates. Early debt repayment can save significant interest costs. Evaluate and cut unnecessary expenses. Review your monthly expenditures and eliminate unnecessary spending. For example, consider cooking at home instead of dining out, canceling unused services, or finding cheaper alternatives for daily needs. Explore additional income sources. If your current job does not meet your financial needs, consider seeking additional income sources. You could take on part-time jobs, start an online business, or develop new skills to enhance career opportunities and income. Establish an emergency fund. Set up an emergency fund to handle unexpected situations such as job loss, illness, or unforeseen expenses. Aim to save enough to cover living expenses for 3 to 6 months. Develop and maintain good financial habits. Formulate habits like daily expense tracking, regular financial planning reviews, and disciplined saving and investing. These habits will help you maintain stability and sustainably improve your personal finances over time. Identify most important tasks. Determine the most crucial tasks of the day and prioritize completing them first. Use the Eisenhower matrix to classify tasks by importance and urgency, focusing on those that bring the highest value. Start each day with detailed planning. Begin each day by outlining specific tasks, estimated timeframes, and goals to achieve. This provides a clear roadmap and makes it easier to track progress. Minimize distractions. Reduce distracting factors like phones, social media, and email. Allocate specific times to check messages and notifications, and disable unnecessary alerts while working. Utilize dead time. Use idle periods like waiting for the bus, standing in line, or during breaks to accomplish small tasks such as reading books, listening to podcasts, or jotting down ideas. This maximizes productivity and avoids wasting any moments. Learn to decline unnecessary requests. Know how to politely refuse invitations or requests that are not relevant to your goals. This helps maintain focus on important tasks without being distracted by less critical responsibilities. Start by cherishing the small things in daily life. It could be a hot cup of tea in the morning, a good book, or a peaceful evening sitting under a tree. These moments not only bring joy, but also deepen your understanding of life. Learn to slow down and not get swept up in the rush of life. Instead of always being busy, take time to breathe, to feel each moment, and to relax your soul. Living slowly gives you a deeper perspective on what truly matters. Practice mindfulness by focusing on the present moment. When eating, savor the flavors. When walking, feel each step. When conversing, listen attentively. Being present helps you enjoy life more and reduces stress. Spend time outdoors, even if it's just a short walk. Nature brings peace, helps you appreciate the simplicity and natural beauty of life, and serves as an endless source of inspiration and relaxation for your soul. Learning to appreciate simplicity is a meaningful journey of transformation. It not only reduces stress and worries, but also brings lasting peace and happiness. By valuing the small things, living slowly, and focusing on the present, you'll find joy in simple moments. All these strategies have helped me maintain balance in life. I hope you found value and inspiration from this video to apply to your own space. As always, I appreciate your time spent watching. If you found the content helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time!